All the banks are broke. They're broke because we have a system called fractional reserve banking, which means that banks can lend money that they don't actually have. It's a criminal scandal, and it's been going on for too long. We have counterfeiting, sometimes called quantitative easing, the artificial printing of money, which if any ordinary person did, they'd go to prison for a very long time. And yet governments and central banks do it all the time. Central banks repress the amount of interest that rates are, so we don't have the real cost of money. It's central banks that manipulate interest rates, Commissioner. And plus, underneath all this, we talk loosely about deposit guarantees. So when banks go broke through their own incompetence and chicanery, the taxpayer picks up the tab. It's theft from the taxpayer. And until we start sending bankers, and I include central bankers and politicians, to prison for this outrage, it will continue.
Get in this world what you expected you were going to get. We're literally looking through a continual lens of observation bias, and we don't even know it. As you expand higher dimension, you can think thoughts and you can render those thoughts instantaneously. As you break through these different layers of consciousness, you don't have to do it independent. So in other words, as you start to transcend beyond duality, you break yourself and you must unlearn what you have learned. So it's not a coincidence that the world's going through a global awakening spiritually, and then now all of a sudden science is mirroring that reality. It's not like biology exists without physics. Physics is just what underlies biology. You could say that mathematics is the highest language, the code of the universe. Applied mathematics forms geometry, which puts things into shape and form. Applied geometry is what? Physics. Applied physics is chemistry. Applied chemistry is biology. Applied biology is psychology. Applied psychology is sociology. Applied sociology is philosophy. And applied philosophy is mathematics. Biological systems now working in a psychological way, communication with each other. So what we're doing here is we're going through these experiences so that we can learn more who we are and remember why we're here and what we chose to learn and experience.